Dear students, today's class we are going to talk about the authentication, right? Okay. So, in this one, whenever we see about the authentication, we verify a person based on three categories. It's like what you know, what you have, and who you are. Okay. So, based on that one, we are verifying the things. So what maybe you are using the password or the pin from this people, right? Okay. Getting from the people and you are verifying. For example, for the ATM card, they are just giving the pin, right? Okay. So based on that one, the verification is done. For the net banking, they are just giving the password. Based on that one, the verification have been done. So in the what you have digital authentication. Okay. So common examples, whether you can use the e-token, smart cards, and the RFID, you can able to use it, right? Okay. So what is an e-token? It can be implemented on the USB key fob or a smart card. Okay. So here, the data is protected on the device itself. Okay. See, this is an e-token. Okay. So this is a diagram of the e-token, right? Okay. On the client side, the token is accessed via password. Okay. So client authentication is done based on the password. And with the password, it invokes the token to generate a stored or generated passcode. Using the password, it is invoking to generate a stored or generated passcode. It is actually sent to the server side for the authentication. Okay. So, so this is an example for this one. Okay. So it can store credentials such as passwords, digital signature, and certificates, and the private keys. Okay. And it can offer the onboard authentication and the digital signing. You can able to sign it digitally. So smart cards. Smart cards is the size of a credit card. It's like a size of the credit card. It is having the embedded microprocessor with computational and storage capability. It has the computational and storage capabilities. You can do it in the various platform like C, C++, Visual Basic, Java, and the .NET. Okay. RFID, that is a radio frequency identification, right? Okay. So it can respond to integrated circuits with an antenna that can respond to an RF signal with identity information. Okay. So here there is no power supply is necessary. So it can be used in the to replay the attacks and the thefts. Okay, if you feel like there is a theft or the attacks, you can just replay and you can check it out. So example is garage parking permits. You can use the RFID. Who you are. So you can identify through the various biometric authentication. Okay. So behavioral, and also you can use the behavioral attribute of a person. So biometric reading. Okay. So you can do either biometric authentication or biometric reading, right? In the physical biometric, you can use your fingerprint, iris, and the retina for the identification. Okay. So our college, we are using the fingerprints via using it. Okay. So behavioral biometric, the signature of a person and the voice. Okay. So that and all you can use it. Okay. So the way they talk. Okay, one person talk will vary from others talk. Okay. So that and all you can use for the behavioral biometrics. Okay. So in the fingerprint, normally everyone will have its own originality, own uniqueness will be there. For recognizing the fingerprint, there are various algorithms like image based, pattern based, minutia based. All these things are used. Okay. So these are all the fingerprint scanner, digital Persno, HP iPad, IBM ThinkPad. Okay, this and all digital, the scanner for the fingerprint.